What's the meaning of alveolar? Alveolar. 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 Alveolar.
Alveolar refers to the small cavities in the bones of the upper and lower jaws where teeth are rooted. It can also refer to the sounds produced by the tongue touching or nearly touching the alveolar ridge, which is the bony ridge behind the upper front teeth. These sounds are commonly found in many languages including English and can be produced by sounds such as T, D, and S. Alveolar sounds are important for clear speech and are used in a range of activities such as singing, speaking, and playing musical instruments.